Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone runs the latest iOS and your AirPods are paired with Bluetooth active. Once done, make sure automatic ear detection is on so audio routes to your earbuds. This sends microphone and speaker through the AirPods. Open the Translate app and pick source and target languages. This sets the translation engine. Tap conversation mode to begin the live session. Now you're ready to capture and hear translated speech in real time through your AirPods, which speeds interactions and keeps both hands free. You now run the live translation. Wear the AirPods and position the iPhone so both speakers can be heard. Tap the microphone on your side to speak or enable auto detect so the app switches automatically. This improves flow in multi-person conversations. The AirPods play the translated response immediately, which helps you keep eye contact. If background noise is loud, switch to the live listen style input in Control Center to focus the iPhone mic on one speaker. This reduces errors and keeps translations coherent and usable. To finish, stop conversation mode and save the transcript if you want a record, then disconnect or keep the AirPods connected for follow-up. If translations lag or drop out, immediately toggle Bluetooth, force close Translate, and repair the AirPods. This refresh often fixes audio routing. For wrong or garbled translations, check you selected the correct dialect, reduce background noise, and speak in short, clear phrases. If problems persist, restart your iPhone. This clears audio services and usually restores reliable, real-time translation performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.